Transformation of sentences. Students, as you know that in your syllabus there are 5 topics which is based on transformation of sentences. Earlier we have seen assertive sentences to interrogative. The second topic from transformation is affirmative to negative. Students, before we start to interchanging sentences from affirmative to negative, you have to understand what are transformation. Students, transformation are transformation of sentences. Actually, it is the change of structure of a sentence without changing the essence, without changing the meaning of the sentence. So, as you know that assertive sentence consists two kind. First, affirmative, and second, negative sentence. Here you have to change affirmative sentence into negative. Let us understand rules through sentences. First sentence is I was doubtful if I would pass. So, at the time of making negative, I was not sure if I would pass. Only not sure. From affirmative sentence, we have to skip doubtful, and for doubtful, we have to use not sure. Structure of this negative sentence is little bit change, but the sense consists both the sentence are same. Let us move to second sentence. She is richer than me. She is richer than me. I am not as rich as her. I am not as rich as her. This is the negative. Structure has been changed, but the meaning is same from both the sentence. Let us move the next sentence, that is affirmative. King Alfred was the greatest king that ever ruled England. If we talk about the negative of this sentence, negative sentence, no other king that ever ruled England was as great as King Alfred. Actually, students, this example is based on degree of comparison. Further, in the next topic, we will discuss degree of comparison, which is also a part of transformation of sentences. The next one is a giraffe is taller than an elephant. Giraffe is taller than an elephant. It is the comparative sentence. You have to make it negative. An elephant is not as tall as a giraffe. Make it positive along with negative. डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन का भी टॉपिक ये हो गया और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस भी बन गया. So let us move to the second sentence. Akbar was the greatest of the Mughal emperors. It is the superlative sentence along with affirmative sentence. When we make it negative, it will be affirmative. It will be positive. No other Mughal emperor was as great as Akbar. Structure has been completely changed, but the sense is same. The third sentence is Sham is the cleverest boy in the class. It's affirmative sentence along with superlative degree. Sham is the cleverest boy in the class. So let us see the third one. No other boy in the class is as clever as Sham. Superlative became positive along with negative sentence. Let us see the fourth one. Everybody was present. Everybody was present. Let us see the negative one. Nobody was absent. So, every, if you will get these words, you have to add no, as we have done it. As soon as he came, he started creating trouble. This is the fifth one. As soon as he came, he started creating trouble. The fifth sentence is no sooner did he came, no sooner did he come, than he started creating trouble. This is the way how to change affirmative to negative. No sooner with the use no sooner than. With using no sooner than, you can make affirmative sentence into negative. The next sentence, no sooner did he come than he started creating trouble. Let us see the sixth sentence. The sixth sentence is as soon as he heard the gunshots, we rushed indoors. As soon as we heard the gunshots, we rushed indoors. Let us see the answers. No sooner did we hear. The same example as we have made negative to the fifth one. No sooner did we hear the gunshots than we rushed indoors. Because we have to use did, so at the time of making negative sentence, we will use first form of the verb. Sixth one is Seventh, we have completed sixth one. Seventh is he failed to win the first prize. Failed. It means simple past tense. Once again, we have to use did helping verb. Seventh, he did not win the first prize because we have find second form of the verb. It means simple past. So at the time of making negative sentence, we will use did not. Let us see the eighth sentence. Eighth sentence is only a millionaire can buy such an expensive car. Here is modal auxiliaries can use. So with using this, with the help of this modal auxiliary, we can make the negative sentence. None but a millionaire can buy such an expensive car. None but a millionaire can buy. None but. It is the additional rule. None but a millionaire can buy such an expensive car. Whenever you got any modal auxiliary verb as can, could, may, might, such at that time you have to use none but to make the negative sentence. Let us see the ninth sentence. The ninth sentence is everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistake. In earlier sentences we have discussed these kinds of rules in which any, every became the no, none, nobody. So there is the there is no one who does not make mistakes. It is also right like this, who does not make mistakes. So no one who does not make mistakes. The type it can make negative. The last sentence is I will always remember this. I will always remember this. So we have to look how we can make it. I will never forget. Always become never. I will always remember this. Here is always became never at the time of making negative sentence. I will never forget this. Oh, here is some miscellaneous sentences which can clarify your doubts regarding transformation of affirmative to negative sentences. She puts off learning till tomorrow. She puts off learning till tomorrow. She puts off learning till tomorrow. The negative will be there. You know that here is puts. It means a simple present tense. That is why she does not refrain from putting off learning till tomorrow. This is the particular kind of phrase at the time of such sentences we have to use. She does not refrain from putting off learning till tomorrow. The second one is Only the desk and benches had been worn smooth, worn smooth. इट्स टू टाइम, इट्स वन टाइम, एक ही बार रह गए, दो बार जब लिख गया है. Nothing but, earlier we have seen that at when we find only, it will change into nothing. Nothing but the desk and benches had been worn smooth. इससे worn में smooth negative sentence का है. Let us see the next one. You can take screenshot of these examples for your practice. Garbage is garbage. Garbage to them is gold. The negative one is garbage to them is nothing but gold. Sahib's family is among them. Sahib's family does not refrain from being among them. He has failed to renovate the house. He has not succeeded in renovating a house. Survival in Shimapuri means rag picking. Survival in Shimapuri means nothing but rag picking. ओनली या ओनली के सेंस में, जब भी ओनली के सेंस में कोई बात आए तो वहाँ पे नथिंग बट या नन बट का यूज हम करते हैं. द YMCA pool was safe. The YMCA pool was not unsafe. You can understand how beautifully the sense remains same, only structure has been changed little bit. The next one is, when my feet hit bottom, I summoned all my strength from summoning all my uh, all my strength. Okay. When my feet hit the bottom, I didn't refrain from summoning all my strength. You can take the screenshot of this for your further board examination preparation. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. Once again, this sentence showed the only reference. No sooner did I get a pair of water wings than I went to the pool. Next one is, I avoided it whenever I could. Avoided. After looking this, avoided को देखने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि इधर simple past है. So we have to use I did not refrain from avoiding. Refrain from avoiding it whenever I could. This handicap stayed with me as the years rolled by. The handicap did not refrain to stay with me as the years rolled by. The next one is, all the time there were many sounds to be heard in the forge. All the time there were not few sounds to be heard in the forge. How beautifully the few sounds to be heard. Not few sound, it means many sounds. You can understand. Some new words can be added to make the sense similar as in affirmative. I will come at once. I will not fail to come at once. You can take you can take it this is screenshot. Hope you have taken. His cheeks were sunken and hunger gleamed in his eyes. His cheeks did not. Here is the word sunken. It means the past tense. That is why did not refrain from being sunken and hunger gleamed in his eyes. He said, I was unhappy. He said, it means past tense. He said, I was not happy. Unhappy became happy, separating the knot. The modern world is full of insecurity. The modern world does not refrain from being full of insecurity. The next one is I just want to escape. I just don't want to avoid escaping. I just don't want to avoid escaping. Everybody likes to become great. Everybody. There is no one who doesn't like to be great. You can make negative like this. Who does not like to be great? This is the second way how to make the affirmative sentence into negative. Everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. Everyone, as I have told you before, that whenever you got everyone, everybody, you have to use no, none, none but. If you find the always, it became never. No one, the no one in the kingdom forget the astrologer's prediction. You have to take the screenshot. It depends on what we make it. It depends on nothing. What we make it, nothing else but what we make it. Those are the few examples which can clear your doubt. You can take a screenshot of this screen for your exam, for your further preparation.